If he wants to appear in person, arrangements have to be made. No, but he's one of the respondents. How can we deny him access to the court? Even if he wants to appear through video link,
Yes.
but we can't deny him access.
So we would want to hear the other side. If the respondent wants to argue the matter himself, if he thinks he can attend to these complex constitutional questions.
We have been informed that one of the respondents was served and he wants to appear in person. Mr. Imran Ahmed Niazi, who was the petitioner.
Hello.
इसमें हमने लिखा था, and if he wants to be represented,
My lord.
the jail superintendent should do the needful.
Right.
This is a matter of law. So we want to restrict it to a matter of law.
But he
I don't
was
know what a private person.
Speaking for myself, he was a petitioner and is one of the respondents. And since we had passed an order, if he wants to appear in person, arrangements have to be made.
आप क्या
How
कहते हैं?
can we condemn him unheard?
My lord, in the original proceedings, he appeared through counsel. Mr. Khwaja Haris represented him in the original proceedings, and now the matter has come up in appeal. So I don't understand how the respondent.
This is not for your understanding. This is for the understanding of the respondent. Whether he wants to appear in person,
I'm just.
or he wants to engage a counsel.
Of course, but there is nothing so far. I haven't seen it on record.
No, but he's one of the respondents. How can we deny him access to the court?
Of course, Your Honor. Yes.
तो ये आज ही हमें भेजना था, पहले नहीं आ सकता था? ये कब आया हमारे पास?
ये तो ऑफिस ने हमें दिया है.
ये तो मुझे अभी कोर्ट में मिल रहा है कुछ.
कब आया ये रिपोर्ट कब आई इनकी नोटिस का रिप्लाई?
At the first stage, my lord, the matter was heard for about almost a year, and throughout the year, Khwaja Haris Ahmed Saab
That
represented.
is understood, you
My
see,
lord.
since it's a matter that involves, NAB, which has been perceived as being involved in political engineering, so wants to appear in person. How can he be denied access to the court?
It's entirely a matter for your lordships to determine.
नहीं, आप बताइए ना, would it be fair?
My lord, your lordship can, because it's a matter of law, either give him time to engage counsel or allow him video link if there are other problems in
Yes,
terms of appearance.
even if he wants to appear through video link,
Yes.
but we can't deny him access.
It's for the learned Attorney General, my lord, to answer.
My lord, ultimately it is going to be your decision how you wish to.
He may be. You see, he's also one of
He's
the
a
respondents. so-
I'm not.
The issue is very simple. This is not a matter of personal rights.
It's a
ठीक है? It's a matter of a varies of a legal amendment.
Yes.
Right? Now, if we are being used for other purposes, fine, that's okay. But it's not a matter of individual right or individual, I'm affected by this law. And the last order had specifically stated that, had set out the reasons in paragraph 5 that it is a matter. And if he wants to be represented, the jail superintendent should do the needful. Okay, now this, where a matter of pure constitutional law and the ultra vires or the intra vires of a amendment is to be sought, will we be assisted by a person who's not a lawyer? Yes, if there's a personal rights is infringed, fine. Then in all cases, the person should also do the same thing, and not just because it's here it is an appeal from a judgment where the law points were being discussed. And they were being discussed by counsel, and there were how many counsel representing Khwaja Haris, Dr. Yasir Aman Khan, Mr. Isam bin Haris, Ms. Zainab Chaudhry, Mr. Muhammad Hashim Wakar, Barrister Faiza Asad, Mr. Muhammad Shoaib Ilyas. Right, I have no problem on representation, but if it's to be it's to be used for some other purposes, then it's a matter which we need to consider. I mean, will we be guided by a layman, particularly when he has no interest in the matter, in the sense it's not it's a matter of law. Either we uphold the judgment or we set it aside the judgment that it is ultra vires or intra vires the constitution. That's the question before us.
And the original
My lord,
petition was
Why
under
is Mr.
Article-
Haris not even here?
My lord, may I make a submission? My lord, in the petition was even challenged before the improved judgment regarding the maintainability of the petition, whether the issue involved in the petition is of public importance or not. And the question of public importance can only be answered in the legal and the constitutional framework by a lawyer and not by an individual.
There's no provision.
But if there is a person has some personal stake in the matter,
There is no personal stake. They say this is a
अच्छा हम
petition
ऐसा
of
करते हैं okay but
Naik साहब.
we will एक second we will adjourn for 5 minutes and we'll discuss it amongst ourselves. आइए इनको बुलाएं. Actually this note had not been brought to our attention earlier, otherwise we would have already discussed it and made arrangements. Now this is a very strange situation where a respondent is not being represented, and he was a petitioner before this court, and it is a judgment that has been passed is impugned, the majority judgment. So since the petitioner and since the National Accountability Bureau is supporting the appellants, then there won't be any contest in the classical sense. So we would want to hear the other side. If the respondent wants to argue the matter himself, if he thinks he can attend to these complex constitutional questions, that's for him to decide and not for us to decide. So we are allowing the request, but we would then you'll have to make arrangements for what is it called, video link wherever he is, and the video link, please have it tested and all that, so when we assemble we don't want any disturbance. The video link facility, however you want to arrange it, and I don't know if the copies of the petitions have been provided to him or not. ये इसमें बताया गया, देखिए कॉपीज. हाँ,
किसी में हमने 5 वॉल्यूम
yes, they have already been provided. See, but since there is a stay and this matter is pending for some time, we don't want to have a long day. So how soon can you make arrangements?
My lord, next week perhaps. I mean,
No, next week I won't be here. Then it will get delayed. परसों नहीं कर सकते हैं?
सर परसों मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ. आपके यहाँ पे होगा जो.
हाँ, मतलब
आई थिंक इसमें
आप अगर पूछ ले मैं बता
चेक करना होगा. हाँ, ठीक है, मैं फिर ये चेक कर लेता हूँ कि कितना टाइम लग जाता है कोटे में.
आज हमें बता दें, क्योंकि अगर हो सके तो फिर परसों से कम से कम आगाज तो कर लें.
ठीक है.
या दूसरा तरीका ये हो सकता है मखदूम साहब, अगर आप आज आप आगाज कर लें तो आपके कोई कंटेंशन हम रिकॉर्ड भी कर लें कि फिर रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 1 को पता तो हो कि आपने बहस क्या की है, तो वो उनके लिए भी सोचने का वक्त मिल जाएगा कि ये आपके लीगल कंटेंशन, अगर आप प्रिसाइज कोई लीगल कंटेंशन फॉर्मुलेट कर लें.
बल्कि बहस की बजाय अगर आप कुछ पॉइंट्स बता दें ताकि उस पॉइंट्स को रिप्लाई करना, बहस बाद में करें.
Encapsulated in a few propositions.
जी,
And if
ठीक
your
है,
lordship
because
wants-
that will also help the respondent number 1 to respond.
My lord.
Is that all right? नहीं, Mr.
Sir, yes, I can begin do that straight away.
So then we will allow his request, and we will try to incorporate whatever you say today. Naturally, you may want to add something later, but then he'll be hearing himself. But it will give the respondent number 1 time to
Or if
absorb and respond to them also.
And if your lordship wants to facilitate him further, I can, and to save your lordship's time, instead of submitting that orally, by early tomorrow, give a list of propositions and provide it to the court staff, and those can be communicated to him. Whichever way your lordship pleases. I can articulate them now, or I can give them in writing by tomorrow morning.
नहीं तुम सब हम तो देख लेना.
जी सर, मैं अभी
हम
submit
आगे ट्रांसमिट करते हैं.
जी, जी,
नहीं, आप ऐसा करें, can you just since we've assembled, we don't want to waste
Sir,
this day.
I will-
We may do both.
By law.
We may also then call upon you to write them down later.
My lord.
You may want to think, but so can we hear you
My lord, yes.
on the fundamental questions?
My lord.